Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
Hi mate, is this Stockport Timber Limited?
That's the one, mate.
Yeah, I've got all the load is for you.
Yes,
Yeah,
smashing.
yeah,
As soon as that's up, Liz,
yeah,
you'll go where he is.
yeah, no problem.
So that way,
Yeah.
you go on both sides,
Yeah,
that way they can both get at you.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
Yeah, so when he leaves, put it near enough where he is.
Yeah.
To the right if you can.
Okay mate, no problem.
fella.
Thank you, cheers.
No problem at all.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'll get you in next anyway.
Yeah,
Alright.
maybe. Yeah. I've got enough room, yeah? Yeah? Let me-
Right there, you know, where
Yeah,
the end of the
yeah.
box is.
No problem. Thank you.
Alright, fella.
Yes. Okay. So everything is for you. Yeah. Thank you. Top. Hop. One second, mate. I'll do it for you. You want it on top? Yeah? No problem. Sorry? You out? Yeah? Yeah.
You got one on there then?
No problem. think he will be faster than me because I need to do those straps. But I guess I'll just put them in the box and I'll do when I go in the yard. Oh, unbelievably high. Hope. Gonna put that. Maybe he needs me to move the lorry again. Or no. Should be okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Has to get the signature, but I will get in a while now. I'll do that the last, because I need to do this thing. Okay. Right, Paul.
Alright, mate.
Just a second, just for you to sign and to print your name, please. Thank you. Just send you the copy. That's your copy. Thank you so much. Have a good day. I'll just I'll just need another 2 minutes to secure those. Yeah. Cheers.
Yeah, it's alright. Let them wait. You got your wait.
No problem. Thank you so much.